Good evening. My name is Jake. I'm going to be introducing the dumbbell bench press. The dumbbell bench press is a multi-joint compound movement that specializes in unilateral power. The kind of person who might utilize this in their training program is going to be somebody who needs that unilateral power. Boxers, judo fighters, shot putters, really anybody who specializes in single arm pushing motions. Before we can get into the actual bench press and the movement, we need to worry about our setup. And that's pretty simple. All you need is a bench and a dumbbell rack. Now, don't let the simplicity fool you. I will say this is more of an advanced movement. I would say you need to master a standard barbell bench and maybe even something like a cable fly or a cable press to kind of understand how the unilateral function works. Before we can start lifting, we need to get warmed up. And it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to start off with some arm swings or arm circles. And that's just bringing your arm like this. Forward and back, forward and back. You can do multiple reps. It's really simple, it's really easy, and there's with minimal setup and minimal equipment, it's great to slip into any workout. For another one of our warm-up sets, we're gonna do some external rotations. That's pretty simple. It's just holding a cable like this, letting it come forward, and rotating your shoulder out. Just rotating that shoulder out. Helps prime the small muscles of our rotator cuffs, and if you're not familiar with it, it will leave a lasting impression. For our next warm-up, we're going to do what's called a face pull. This is a super simple exercise you can do with just a rope and a cable machine. It's going to look like this. You're just pulling that towards your face. Next, we're going to do a simple scapular push-up. We're going to be just pulling that scapula forward, engaging our serratus anterior. We're pulling your shoulder blades forward. It's going to be your standard push-up position, but as straight as possible. And you're going to drop down, just your shoulders, and then push your shoulder blades forward. Pull your shoulder blades back, just your shoulder blades forward. Pull your shoulder blades back, just them forward. Again, a super simple movement that you can do with minimal setup and minimal equipment. Our final way of warming up for this movement is going to be simply doing the movement with a significantly lighter weight. Now that we're warmed up, I'm going to walk you through the actual movement. It's pretty simple, and if you've mastered the bench press like suggested, you'll be familiar with the movement. It's just going on your back, having kind of a common grip width, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle in between up and by your side, and pressing up. Letting it curve a bit on the way over, up to above your shoulders, and dropping it down with your hands level with the very bottom of your nipples, maybe even a bit lower. And make sure you're driving that up back to your shoulders. Letting it come down, pushing over onto your legs, and then coming back up. There are just a couple more things I'd like to touch on before I end this video that I didn't mention earlier. The most important being body placement on the bench. Just like a standard barbell bench press, we're going to be maintaining 4 points of contact. That's going to be your feet with the ground, your glutes with the bench, your upper body with the bench, and your head with the bench. Maintaining a firm position on all of these, directly touching the bench, will create a stable platform that will increase your ability to press with greater force. Secondly is going to be breathing. Making sure we're breathing on the way out, the concentric part of this press, or the part, will help increase force and stability by increasing abdominal pressure. So it's very important that we maintain these two things while we're doing these movements.